do a practical life activity for toddlers and preschoolers, that is dry pouring. My mama says this activity helps in the development of fine and gross motor skills, finger and wrist muscle develops concentration, order and care for the environment. We can use green gram, dal, rice, white beans or pasta for this activity. First we begin with the simplest form of this activity, that is pouring from a jug to a bowl. You can even use 2 jugs instead of a bowl. First we introduce the materials. This is a tray, a jug with dal and an empty bowl. We show how to hold the jug by the handle and spout and pour the dal. We show the child that the bowl is now empty. Then we transfer the dal back into the jug. Activity is pouring into 2 equal bowls. We introduce the materials the same way. This is a tray, a bowl with dal and 2 empty equal bowls. First we begin by pouring into the bowl on top and then we pour into the other bowl. And show the bowl is empty. We then transfer the dal back and pick up the spilled dal. Mama says this activity helps in the development of space and volume, eye-hand coordination, order and daily chores at home. This was how Mariam did the activity. First she poured all the dal into the bowl on top and then she transferred it to the other bowl. It was her own way of doing it. Mama says we should let them explode. The next activity is pouring into 2 unequal bowls. We introduce the materials the same way and start pouring the dal to the top bowl first and the other bowl next. We show the child there is some dal left in the bowl. And we transfer back and pick up the spilled dal. This activity helps in preparing for mathematics, that is capacity, concept and order. Mama still didn't introduce this activity to Nanga because she is still practicing pouring into 2 equal bowls. Mama says we only progress from activity to another only after the child has mastered an activity and is able to do it on their own.